Catherine Bernardo update. And nag-tennis session pala si Catherine. And sabi na nag-post, last night, look, who played at the court before me, same court, same trainer. So sweet and nice, Catherine Bernardo, you know. Tapos yung pa-post ni Rabel Robino, sabi, bling it on KB, got book, renewal for B Jewelry. Renewal pala ni Catherine for B Jewelry na endorsement niya. Congrats kay Catherine. Ito pa yung mga picture ni Catherine for B Jewelry. Ang ganda pa nga ni Catherine. Ito, confirm na. Sequel confirms. And post na ABS-CBN News. Na movie nila Alden Richard at Catherine Bernardo. And hello love again. Yan, abangan nyo mamayang alas 6 for more detail. And post na Idol Vision. This or that. Catherine Ducks 2 stunning sunglasses. Which one is suited for better? Gucci o Kurla? Bot, syempre. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. Click ang notification bell for more update. Ito po ang Richard Reaction Vlog. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.